something different. I'm actually going to use this cookbook. I'm so excited. They've got a second book out at the moment on Amazon, which I'm going to purchase. But today we are going to cook. Hey, patties. I'm so excited. However, it does take 2 hours and 15 minutes. It does serve 6. 450 grams of flour, which I have measured myself already beforehand. It says to sieve the flour. I haven't got a sieve, so this will have to do. So 1 1/2. So this is the salt that I use. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 5 tablespoons of turmeric. So 2 tablespoons of lard. That's what the lard looks like. So I've got clover bar. Now it says to gradually add ice cold water. Island. This is very messy. The dough has basically formed, so I'll just keep putting my back into it. Now I'm going to roll it into a ball. Okay, now it says to wrap cling film around it and put it in the fridge for an hour. Wash as you go, because I was that person to make it stuck up and then look at it and be like, who's washing that? So yeah, wash as you go. Fucking hot, mate. Pour some vegetable oil. So, vegetable oil. Because I've got a non-stick pan, I'm not going to put too much. Probably, I think that's enough. I'll get that to warm up a bit. So not too much oil. Okay. Now I'm going to put the scotch bonnet in. Put the onions in. Get our mince and put it in. Brown indeed. Just a couple more. Just gonna freeze for a little bit. basically this. 4 in there. I'm going to do a stock cube. This is beef stock cube. Put it up. Drop that in there. That in there. Kettle water. Okay, now it's browned. I'm now going to put my stock cube in here. Let that simmer. This is paprika, but put a little bit in there, not too much. Going to put a little bit of beef seasoning. This is all for flavour. A little bit of garlic and coriander. Tiny bit of mild madras. And basically, so for those who don't know what soy sauce is, now I haven't got proper breadcrumbs, so I've got some golden breadcrumbs, which I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of that in there. Which thickens the gravy up as well. Okay, so after an hour, we take the dough out of the fridge. Sprinkle some flour. Now this is my only medium-sized bowl, so here you literally just have to cut this. Okay, now it says to get a tablespoon of mince and get your basically your patty. I'm actually so scared. I think if you put too much, then it's a tablespoon of mince. Shit. So this is what they look like. This was like my first attempt, and then they start to get a bit better. So I'm going to put them in the oven for 25 minutes for them to be just golden and brown. However, I'm just going to keep checking on them and just do it from the way I feel. And then I will let the patties sit for half an hour, and then I will serve them. So I will show you the finishing look. since I've cooked the patties, I've seen that the turmeric has turned my table yellow. So I did put some bleach on the table and I'm literally just scrubbing it. Gonna let it sit for like a couple of minutes while I wash the dishes and it will come out, so don't worry. Again with my hot self, literally while everything was cooking, I was able to wash the dishes. I've never cooked them before. This is what they look like. A little bit of the gravy is literally just poured out, which is fine. You two are literally the best. Thank you very much. This one burnt a bit, but I'm gonna try it. Oh, look at the consistency inside. It looks so moist. It's so hot as well. These are bad. This. What? Oi. They're hot, but they're banging. Look at that. Not too spicy. It's just, actually it is a bit spicy, but this is delicious. So guys, I'm literally gonna put everything in my description, anything that you need that I've used and everything. I'm just so happy with the turnout. So nice. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see me try cook something that's out of the ordinary, and if I can try, I will try, but that is banging. Listen, watch, I'll be doing patties for parties soon. Thanks for coming back and watching my journey. Please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you.